today's video, we will see countdown to bar close not working in TradingView. So to fix this issue, you can follow these steps. Step 1 is to enable the countdown to bar close. So to enable, you can simply press the settings icon in your top right corner. After that, click on more settings. Now here go to scale and lines, and now here you will see the countdown to bar close. If this button is disabled, you can simply enable it. So this is the main and common problem that users do. So if you enable this button, your all problem will be fixed. If still the countdown to bar close not working, now you can follow the next step. Is you can simple check chart time frame. The candle time frame. Here you will see. So the timer only work properly on active time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, and etc. If you are on a custom or unsupported time frame, the countdown may not appear correctly. The step 3 is to market must be open. So that countdown only works when the market is open and active trading. If the market is closed like stocks after hours, the timer will not run. And the last step is you can use real-time data. If you are using a delayed data, countdown may not show properly. So make sure that you can use the real-time data. Okay, bro. Goodbye.